Digestive enzymes are critical for many different bodily functions, and deficiencies have been linked to a variety of ailments. It's important to purchase a high-quality supplement that features enzymes that digest protein, carbohydrates, fats, and more. Here are the 10 best digestive enzyme supplements you should add to your diet right away. One, Zenwise Digestive Enzymes Probiotics and Prebiotics. Supplements digestive enzymes and with pre- and probiotics. Plant-based pre-meal capsules provide women and men with on-the-go relief from bloating, gas, and discomfort. 2. Burn XT Thermogenic for men and women. Burn XT has established a new standard for fitness supplements as one of the few thermogenic for women and men that have been clinically shown to boost energy and focus. Support is the keyword. Burn XT will not perform all of the work for you, but it will assist you in making the most of your efforts. 3. Alleviate Weight Loss Diet Pills. Alleviate is an FDA-approved weight loss medication that works by preventing roughly 25% of the fat you eat from being absorbed. For both women and men, it is an excellent weight loss medication. Alleviate can help you lose 2 to 3 pounds for every 5 pounds you lose through diet and exercise. Alleviate works in the digestive tract and is absorbed slowly into the bloodstream, thus it has little to no effect on the cardiovascular and nervous systems. When used with a low-calorie, low-fat diet, Alleviate diet tablets are a weight loss supplement for overweight adults aged 18 and up. 4. Lactate. Lactate Original Strength caplets come in a 120-count bottle with lactase enzyme to help prevent gas, bloating, and diarrhea caused by lactose intolerance. These easy-to-swallow caplets contain 9,000 FCC lactase units in each serving size, which function to break down the milk sugar and relieve pain caused by lactose sensitivity. 5. Raw Probiotics Ultimate. Garden of Life Raw Probiotics Ultimate Care 100 billion CFU Probiotic Supplement, daily probiotic for adults with digestive enzymes, 30 capsules, probiotics for women and men. 6. Bye Bloat Digestive Enzyme Supplement. Wellness is something that I adore. Bye Bloat Digestive Enzyme Supplement, 60 capsules, helps reduce water retention and overall digestive health, safe and effective with fenugreek and dandelion. 7. Quercetin with bromelain. Balanced Immune System *. Quercetin is a free radical scavenger found in nature that promotes healthy seasonal immune system activity. Quercetin has also been shown in lab experiments to aid in the maintenance of normal respiratory function. 8. Gallbladder Formula. Purified bile salts, 90 capsules, enzymes to reduce bloating, indigestion, and abdominal swelling. Dr. Berg's Gallbladder Formula. Better digestion, better nutrient absorption, and more satisfaction after meals. 9. Revli Digestive Enzyme Complex. The complex, which includes bromelain and papain, has 9 digestive enzymes per serving, 2 capsules. Encourages proper digestion. 90 pills, about 15 to 45 days supply, taken daily at listed serving size. Gluten-free and vegetarian. Take 2 capsules up to 3 times daily with food as a dietary supplement, 45 servings per bottle. Guaranteed satisfaction. We are proud of our products. If you aren't satisfied for any reason within a year after purchase, we will return your money. 10. Night Shred. While prepping your body to stimulate your metabolism, Night Shred enhances the quantity and quality of your sleep. The feeling of relaxation comes soon, as does the commencement of REM sleep. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks.